Welcome to this comprehensive guide on BitMart, your go-to platform for seamless crypto trading and earning opportunities. BitMart is a user-friendly cryptocurrency exchange that supports a vast range of cryptocurrencies, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned traders. Start by visiting the BitMart homepage, where you'll find a sleek and intuitive interface designed to enhance your trading experience. You can quickly navigate to the sign-up section to create your account. Once your account is set up, explore the platform's diverse trading features, including spot trading and futures. For beginners, the Quick Trade option allows you to easily buy or sell cryptocurrencies without navigating complex order books. Advanced users can utilize the Pro mode to access charting tools, leverage, and detailed analytics to execute precise trades. BitMart also offers a convenient mobile app, ensuring you can trade on the go. The platform isn't just about trading. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With platforms like Nexo, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. Check the link in the description for sign-up bonuses. Point 1 of BitMart's standout features is its staking option. Staking allows you to lock up specific cryptocurrencies to earn rewards over time. The staking dashboard provides all the necessary details, from available staking options to estimated rewards. It's a great way to make your holdings work for you while supporting blockchain networks. Security is a top priority on BitMart. Features like two-factor authentication, withdrawal address whitelisting, and an insurance fund help protect your assets. For additional peace of mind, the platform is fully compliant with regulatory standards. Take advantage of the promotional bonuses offered to new users. Sign up using this link, https://lnk.do/jkukoif. Once you're familiar with trading, explore BitMart's marketplace for additional services like NFT trading and blockchain innovation projects. If you're looking to make the most of your crypto journey, BitMart is your gateway to success. From trading and staking to earning rewards, everything is tailored to meet your needs. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button to stay updated with more tutorials and insights.